Hello everyone, welcome back to GSM Tips. Today I will show you how to insert two SIM cards into your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So for this, first things first, you will need two SIM cards, and in the box you should be able to find your SIM ejector tool. Let's see if it's here. Okay, this will slide out, and here we have a cable, and here we have the pin. Just remove the pin from here. Your SIM tray will be on the bottom. Just push and release the SIM tray. Now SIM 1 is on top of the SIM reader, SIM 2 it will be on the bottom of the SIM reader. It depends which one you want to be your primary SIM card. So this goes this way, and if you turn your SIM reader, this will go this way. Okay. Now push it in gently and completely, and just wait for it to pick up your networks and set up SIM 1, SIM 2. It will set it up for you. You just press next and you're all done. And of course you can add an eSIM if that's the case. This is it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.